Hey, you too. It's your girl, Teddy Great, and I'm back again with another video. With another video. With another video. With another video. With a hey, hey, hey. With another video. With another video. Hey, okay, okay. Hey. Okay, I'm stop it. But your girl is back with another video, and it's like today's the 20th. No, today's the 19th. No, today's the 20th. So it was 5 more days until Christmas. 5 more days until Christmas. 5 more days until Christmas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more days. 5 dias. 5 mais dias. Or mais 5 dias. 5 more days to Christmas, period. Feliz Navidad. No. I think that's Happy Christmas because Feliz is happy. Anyway, so I just want to say if you're new to my channel, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're old, I just want to say welcome back. Thanks for coming and checking your girl back out again and again and again. I love y'all. But y'all I'm out of breath. But alright. But today, as you could tell by the caption, we will be cooking that thing with the come on, y'all sing with me. Cooking that thing with the great. Cooking that thing with the hey, cooking that cooking that thing with the great. That's wrong. I'm gonna start seeing that song when I do cooking videos. But as you can see, we're doing chicken, buffalo chicken dip. I have like a little family get together today. My mom is so loud, like girl. But have like a family get together today, like a movie night. And y'all gonna see that in tomorrow's vlog because it's gonna be too late for me to vlog that. So I'm just gonna vlog me making a buffalo chicken dip. So yeah, so stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog for the rest of the stuff. But I know I'm doing a lot of talking. I know y'all want to hear me talk. So we're going to do some buffalo chicken dip. I'm going to show you everything that you need. I'm going to take y'all through the steps and all that. So yeah, let's get into the video. Y'all, I just love looking at myself. Like, I really do. Ooh, it's so cold in here, so cold in here, so cold in here. I'm in the garage because I get something out the other refrigerator. And I'm freezing. I'm freezing. I'm freezing. Yeah. Okay, hold up. I'm so pretty. Like, for real. Don't play with me. Just not to be played with. Period. Shredded cheese, cream cheese, ranch, hot sauce, and this. Or use rotisserie chicken or chicken breast and just cut it up, but we use this. So, I'm going to take you guys throughout the steps. And yeah, let's get into it. I also need a measuring cup and like a mixing bowl. But yeah, so I'm going to take you guys throughout the steps right now. And this is going to be Chef Kiss top tier. So follow my instructions and do everything I do. And then it's going to come out good like mine. Okay, period. So stay tuned. So the first thing you do is you're going to put the chicken in a bowl and you're going to mash them up. Make sure the chicken is mashed up real good. And that's how you got to mash, 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 mash. Mash, 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 mash. Mash, 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 mash. Hey, mash, 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 mash. And you got to say the words mash, 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 mash. Mash them up real good. Like, but yeah, just mash them up real good. Okay, so it should look real mashed up. So after you mash up, what you're gonna do is, Mama, would you do the honors and passing me a spoon so I can mix it up in a measuring cup? In a measuring cup. In a measuring cup. In a measuring cup.
How much would you need to measure?
A cup. I need a cup of ranch, cup of cream, cup of hot sauce.
Is the measuring?
Thank you. So get your measuring cup. It's the whole thing of cream cheese, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So the whole thing of cream cheese. Just bust that thing open like this. Will you put some trash for me, please? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yes, I need a spoon so I can mix this thing up. my goodness. Boy, I can't even open up the doggone thing. Lord.
You ain't got it?
Yeah, I got it. Trying to bust this thing open. Okay. So just put the cream cheese in. And then you ask your lovely assistant to throw this in the trash. Make sure all jack up. Ask your lovely assistant to throw it in the trash. Thank you, assistant. And then ask your lovely assistant to put the chocolate thing in the sink. Thank you, assistant. Then you're gonna, if you can, you know, kind of chop out the cream cheese with the spoon. You know, try to mix it up like this. I know this thing's so high up, but this kitchen, I don't really got enough space in the kitchen, so. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Cream cheese on my nose. Lord. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. So you're gonna bust open the ranch. We have the Hidden Valley, the original ranch. That's what we have right now. You bust it open, put it in the cup, and you just wait till it fill up. Okay. Lord, this ranch. Oh, I'm doing this. It's gonna look like this. It's gonna be a cup, and what you're gonna do is pour. You gotta smile when you pour. If you don't smile when you pour, it's not gonna come out right. You don't have to clean this out because you just gonna put the hot sauce in it. So you can mix it up a little bit. Mix it up a little bit. Mix it up. Just a little TT. You don't really. Alright, sorry, y'all. My daddy had called me. So like I said, you just gotta mix the thing up. It's just a better angle so you can like, really see the wrist movement. That's the most important thing of this whole thing. Is the wrist movement. So you mix it up. Okay, mix it up real good. It's gonna sound like macaroni. Macaroni in the pot. That's it. Hey, so mix it up. And then open up the hot sauce. Open up the hot sauce. Open up the hot sauce. Yeah, I'm doing step by step. Seriously, you have to follow every move I do. Seriously. If you don't follow every move I do, it will not come out right. Mother, can you please come here, please?
Sure, daughter.
I can't open this. The hot sauce. And if y'all can't open it like me, make sure y'all call your mom name like that. Okay? Like I said, if y'all don't even do everything I do, it's not gonna come out right. Period. 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 That thing hard to open. That thing hard tight. They make sure nobody get that thing.
Alright.
So, hey, bring your bucket in a mop.
I'm gonna take the top off and pour.
Yeah, that top was different. You must got a new top.
Yeah.
Like I said, a cup of I'm about to say honey mustard, hot sauce. Wait till it gets full. When it gets full, you stop. Okay, so then you pour. All right, Mom, can you please put this in the sink? Thank you. And after that, you're gonna mix it.
I guess you need to.
Listen, I don't even know. This thing might be real spicy. It's gonna be good though. I'm about to show y'all how it should look. If it doesn't sound like this and if it doesn't look like this, you're doing a terrible job. So let me start over. Just kidding. No, but I would like for you to cut the oven on the 350 for me, please, ma'am. Make sure y'all preheat your oven to 350. Thank you. All right, and you don't have to put cheese in it, but you can add a little cheese. Well, you can put cheese on the top, but if you want to put cheese in your mix, you can. You don't have to, but you can. I would like to, so you just be a little bit more cheesier. It says tear here. Okay, but that's not working. Is this thing already open? You already tear it? Why this thing? Where you supposed to tear that though? I need you again. I can't open this. Sorry guys. Maybe I'm just a little weak. Maybe I'm a little. I'll be right back. Alright, so I finally got it open. And I would just add just a little. You don't really have to do just literally a little. Literally a little. And I'm gonna show y'all. Cause you're gonna put cheese on top. So I'm gonna just add a little bit more. You know. Okay. So then after you add the cheese, mix it up again. And I'm gonna show y'all how good it's oof. Man, listen. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how it's supposed to look. Make sure y'all clean as y'all go. I've been having my mother, put up the stuff for me, so yeah. So you can see me, the bandage. You're gonna put it in here. Make sure you scrape everything out. And you're gonna pat it down. And you should already be preheating your oven at 350. Some people do it different times, but I put 350 on for everything. Even if it isn't supposed to be 350, I do it 350 anyway. You can never go wrong with 350. So, and then you're gonna get the cheese and you're gonna put it on top. So you can just cover the top. Just to let y'all know, my hands are clean. Just to let y'all know. Hands are very clean. So like I say, just cover the top. That's all you have to do. Oh lordy, I done a little too much. My gosh, my golly, my golly, my gosh, my golly. That's probably Jalen. What I tell you? And this how it should look, like this. Period. The Clear Vlog. How you doing? He watching this, y'all. Why? I don't know. He's crazy. Me, personally, I would. Okay, now it's in the oven. And you leave it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Basically, just leave it in the oven until, until the cheese is basically melted, basically. So, yeah. You can't forget your chips. I like these a lot with this buffalo chicken dip. Used to be straight, but I like these more. So yeah, that's them. That's them. And this is the outcome. Alright, so this basically concludes this part of the video. Part 2 will come out tomorrow. We always will be seeing all of tonight's festivities. Everybody's so loud. I'm trying to record my video. But make sure y'all like this video, comment, subscribe, and all of that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.